This is my final video on dividing fractions with fraction tiles. I wanted to show you some that don't come out to be nice whole numbers and how we would do those. So on my first problem here, I have 1 1/4. So I'm going to build 1 1/4. And I'm going to see how many groups of 3/8 will fit into 1 1/4. So I'm going to have, here's one group of 3/8, and here's two groups, and here's three groups. So I know 3 full groups of 3/8 will fit, but then if I try to put another 3/8 in, the whole group won't fit. But how much of that group will fit? 1 out of these 3 pieces. Okay, so my answer here is going to be that I could fit 3 full groups of 3/8 and then 1 out of the 3 pieces of another group. All right, let's try another one. All right, this time I have 1 1/2 divided by 5/6. So I'm gonna again see how many groups of 5/6 I can fit into 1 1/2. So let me get 5, because that will count as one group. Okay, there's one group of 5/6. All right, let's see if we can fit another group. We're not going to be able to fit another full group. All right, so I know we fit one group of 5/6. How many were we able to fit out of the second group? 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 5. So this is going to be 1 4/5. All right, and last one, 1 1/3. This time divided by 7/12. All right. All right, there's one group of 7/12. Squeeze that up here. And then let's get another group of 7/12. 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are able to fit 2 full groups of 7/12. We can already tell we're not going to be able to fit another full group, but let's see how many we can fit. Let's get all 7 pieces. All right, we're only going to be able to fit 2 of the 7 pieces. So we'll be able to fit 2 whole groups of 7/12 plus 2 of the 7 pieces in this group.